So rich text in the description actually needs no setup, and it's very simple to use. I'll literally show you how this is done. You go into Jira, you go into a work item, you go into your description, and it's just like Confluence. You have all your rich text items up here, and you click slash if you wanted them here, and you could set up, things like tables. You can set up your headings. I think I have headings in here. Let's find out. There we go, headings. You could set up your checklist items, anything you want, and almost anything you could do in Confluence, you could do in the descriptions of a work item. You can create other fields inside of these work items that are not description fields that also have rich text. That does take a couple of steps. Feel free to grab the resource. I think one of those videos does cover that. So if you wanted extra fields outside of the description that give you rich text support, there are options for that. But to use the description, it's really as simple as jumping in, hit the slash command or the little bar on top. That'll give you everything that you need inside of the description field to really get as creative as you can. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.